Hello and welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will delve into the top 5 best printers of 2025. These models have set new benchmarks in printing technology, featuring unparalleled quality, speed, and functionality. Whether you need a printer for your home office or your business, our comprehensive review will help you make an informed decision. Stay tuned until the end to discover a unique feature that could revolutionize your printing experience. For more information and the latest prices, check the links in the description. If you enjoy our content, don't forget to subscribe for more updates. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 5. The Epson EcoTank L3210. The Epson EcoTank L3210. This printer is making waves with its innovative cartridge-free printing and impressive cost savings. If you're tired of constantly changing expensive ink cartridges, this might be the perfect solution for you. Let's dive in. First off, let's talk about the innovative cartridge-free printing. The Epson EcoTank L3210 uses high-capacity ink tanks instead of traditional cartridges. Each ink bottle set is equivalent to about 80 individual ink cartridges, which means fewer trips to the store and more time enjoying high-quality prints. Next up, dramatic savings on replacement ink. With the EcoTank L3210, you can save up to 90% on ink costs. Each replacement ink bottle set can print up to 4,500 pages in black and 7,500 pages in color. That's a massive saving compared to traditional ink cartridges. One of the best features of this printer is its stress-free printing. The EcoTank L3210 comes with up to 2 years of ink in the box and with every replacement ink set. This means fewer out-of-ink frustrations and more uninterrupted printing sessions. Another standout feature is the high-capacity ink tanks. Epson's exclusive EcoFit ink bottles make filling the tanks easy and worry-free. No more spills or messes, just smooth and efficient printing every time. Plus, the zero cartridge waste helps reduce the amount of waste ending up in landfills. Last but not least, let's talk about the impressive print quality. The EcoTank L3210 uses unique micro-piezo heat-free technology to produce sharp text and impressive color photos and graphics on virtually any paper type. Whether you're printing documents or photos, the results are always top-notch. So, there you have it, folks. The Epson EcoTank L3210 is a game-changer with its innovative cartridge-free printing, dramatic ink savings, stress-free operation, high-capacity ink tanks, and impressive print quality. If you're looking for a reliable and cost-effective printer, this one's definitely worth considering. Number 4. Canon Pixma TR8620. World of printing with the Canon Pixma TR8620. This printer promises convenience, efficiency, and top-notch performance. If you're on the lookout for a reliable 4-in-1 printer, stick around as we explore its standout features. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about the never run out of ink feature. By connecting your Pixma TR8620 to Alexa, you'll receive notifications when you're running low on ink. Plus, with smart reorders from Amazon, you'll never have too much or too little ink. No subscription needed, it's that simple. The wireless 4-in-1 capabilities of this printer make it a versatile addition to any home or office. Whether you need to print, copy, scan, or fax, the Pixma TR8620 has got you covered. Its compact design ensures it fits seamlessly into your workspace without sacrificing functionality. Next, let's discuss the print speed and capacity. The Pixma TR8620 boasts a print speed of 15 IPM for black and 10 IPM for color. With a 200 sheet capacity, including 100 in the cassette and 100 in the rear feed, you'll spend less time refilling paper and more time getting work done. The environmentally conscious features the Pixma TR8620 is also worth noting. It's Energy Star certified, EPEAT silver rated, and supports auto two-sided printing. This not only helps save paper but also reduces the environmental impact, making it an eco-friendly choice for your printing needs. Lastly, let's highlight the modern connectivity options. The Pixma TR8620 comes with a built-in micro SD slot and supports voice-activated printing through Alexa. Just say, "Alexa, discover my printer," to get started. It's also backed by a 1-year warranty for added peace of mind. So, there you have it. The Canon Pixma TR8620 is a versatile and efficient 4-in-1 printer with smart features, impressive print speed, and eco-friendly design. If you're in the market for a reliable printer, this one's definitely worth considering. Number 3. The HP SmartTank 7602. The HP SmartTank 7602. This printer is perfect for families and small businesses needing high-volume, low-cost printing. With a print speed of up to 15 pages per minute in black and 9 pages per minute in color, it's a game changer. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about savings. The HP SmartTank 7602 comes with 2 years of HP ink included. That's enough to print up to 8,000 color pages or 6,000 black pages right out of the box. No more frequent trips to buy expensive ink cartridges. Just print to your heart's content. Next up, the key features. This printer isn't just about printing, it also copies, scans, and faxes. It has automatic two-sided printing, a 35-page automatic document feeder, and supports mobile and wireless printing. It's a versatile all-in-one solution for all your document needs. Now, let's discuss print quality. The HP SmartTank 7602 delivers crisp text and frame-worthy photos with vivid, true-to-life colors. Whether you're printing important documents or family photos, the results are consistently impressive. You'll love the quality of every print. One of the standout features is how easy it is to use. With quick setup, reliable Wi-Fi, and an app that makes printing and scanning from your smartphone a breeze, you'll have everything you need at your fingertips. No more fumbling with complicated setups or connections. Lastly, let's talk about Wi-Fi connectivity. The HP SmartTank 7602 features self-healing dual-band Wi-Fi that automatically detects and resolves connection issues. Plus, with Ethernet networking, you can easily share resources across your devices, ensuring you stay connected at all times. So, there you have it. The HP SmartTank 7602 is an excellent choice for high-volume, low-cost printing with top-notch features and easy usability. If you're in the market for a reliable, all-in-one printer, this one's for you. Number 2. The Brother HLL2390DW. The world of efficient printing with the HP SmartTank 7602. This printer is packed with features designed for high-volume and high-speed printing. Whether you're printing at home or for your small business, this printer promises to deliver. Let's explore its key features. First off, let's talk about the impressive print speed. The HP SmartTank 7602 can print up to 32 pages per minute. This makes it an ideal choice for those who need quick turnaround times without compromising on quality. No more waiting around for your documents to print. Next up is the high paper tray capacity. With an input capacity of up to 250 sheets, you'll spend less time refilling the tray and more time focusing on what matters. This is perfect for high-volume printing tasks, whether it's for school, work, or personal projects. One of the standout features is the automatic two-sided printing. This not only saves you time but also helps reduce paper usage, making it an eco-friendly option. The convenience of mobile printing adds to its versatility, allowing you to print from your smartphone or tablet with ease. The two-line LCD is another highlight. It provides a user-friendly interface that makes navigating the printer's functions straightforward and intuitive. Whether you're printing, scanning, or copying, the display ensures you can do it all effortlessly. Plus, the included printer cable is a handy accessory for easy setup. Finally, let's talk about modern connectivity. The HP SmartTank 7602 supports wireless and USB connections, giving you flexible options for connecting your devices. Whether you're printing over Wi-Fi or through a wired connection, this printer ensures you stay connected and productive. So there you have it. The HP SmartTank 7602 is a powerhouse printer with impressive speed, high paper capacity, automatic two-sided printing, a user-friendly interface, and versatile connectivity options. If you're in need of a reliable and efficient printer, this one's definitely worth considering. Number 1. The Brother INKvestment MFC. The Brother INKvestment MFC. If you're looking for a printer that offers exceptional savings and uninterrupted printing, this one might be for you. With up to 1 year of ink included, it promises convenience and cost-effectiveness. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about the up to 1 year of ink in the box. Using the MFC J995DW cartridges provided, you can enjoy uninterrupted printing for up to a year. No more frequent ink replacements, just smooth and efficient printing for all your needs. It's perfect for both home and office use. Next, the INKvestment tank system. These re-engineered ink cartridges hold more ink and work with an internal ink storage tank to ensure continuous printing. It's compatible with a range of operating systems, including Windows and Mac, making it versatile and user-friendly. One of the standout features is the Brother Intelligent Page Gauge. This smart feature lets you know the amount of ink you've used and how much is remaining. It eliminates the guesswork and ensures you're never caught off guard by running out of ink at a critical moment. The mobile device printing capabilities are impressive too. Whether you're using AirPrint, Google Cloud Print, Brother, or Wi-Fi Direct, you can easily print from your desktop or mobile device. It's a convenient feature that adds flexibility to your printing needs. Lastly, let's talk about the genuine Brother inks. The INKvestment MFC is designed to work with Brother's LC3033 and LC3035 ink cartridges. Using genuine inks ensures optimal print quality and longevity of your printer, making it a reliable choice for all your printing tasks. So, there you have it, the Brother INKvestment MFC offers up to 1 year of ink, a re-engineered tank system, intelligent page gauge, mobile printing, and supports genuine Brother inks. If you're looking for a reliable and cost-effective printer, this one is definitely worth considering. So that wraps up our list of the best printers in 2025. Hope you found this video helpful. And if so, please leave a thumbs up as I always appreciate that. Also, please feel free to leave a comment suggesting future videos or questions you have, as we love getting to respond to as many of those as we can. And if you subscribe to the channel, welcome to our Review Reflections family. We've got lots more videos coming your way. Till then, stay safe, stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.